Huh? Wake up, Kuya. Go, go, go. Tell him. Heartbeat. Go that way. Tell Kuya, wake up. Go, go. Wake him up. Go, go. Go to Kuya. Where are you going? Harp. Wake up, Kuya. Up, 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 up. Say, let's eat breakfast. Come on.
Get up.
Get up. Come on. Look what you did here. Look at it. Oh my goodness. What about it? Already made a mess. Okay. This is what she gave me, guys. Hang on, I'm busy. Look, she said, here you go. Hello, who are you calling? Huh? Are you calling Nana? Papi? Okay. Are you ready, Celeste? Yeah?
See a bridge, Harp?
We are touching the clouds. It's Old Stone Bridge. Where do you want to go? Blue Ridge or Skyline Drive?
Skyline.
Skyline Drive. Yeah.
So this doesn't work anymore, right?
What do you mean? Now we pay. We pay or we don't get to go inside.
Oh.
Hey, good afternoon. A year pass.
No, I don't think so.
How much is the year pass?
55 for Shenandoah. 80 covers all federal lands.
So just do the year. Did we do? We are getting our yearly pass.
Nana.
Oh,
Anna.
Pass. There's two little spots for signatures. You only have to sign the left-hand side. That way, one of the folks that signed it just shows driver's license or photo ID whenever you use it. Here's your receipt there.
Okay.
Y'all enjoy the park today.
All right, thank you. Appreciate it.
this applies to all national parks and federal recreation lands all over United States. Congratulations.
Thank you.
It's pretty. Most of the leaves have already fallen off. It's like 50% left.
You like it, Celeste? Isn't it pretty?
No.
I think it's pretty.
all of these yellows will be gone.
Mama, wait.
Yes.
Car?
You're in the car.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh no. There's a beautiful fog.
feet apart
Oh, that is.
right now.
There's the stop. Oh man, you can't see. Are you excited?
A pie?
You're gonna be careful this time, okay? You don't fall. Oh, I'm gonna get you. Come on, let's go. Did you pick on your wound? Let's go.
There we go. Get in. Good girl. Drink, drink, drink.
No. No.
Scenic view. Look at that scenic view.
The scenic
Okay,
view
can you
is
please get
being...
off the car? Like,
Kuya, look at the scenic view.
See the mountains? Use your imagination.
Just use your
we're
imagination.
literally inside of a cloud.
We are inside of a cloud. Oh no.
Yeah. Listen up.
Yeah.
A pie?
Up high, yes, we are up high. We're on top of the mountains. Be careful.
Here, there's a car coming. See?
Come on, Kuya.
Let's go see. Let's go see what's over here.
Oh, look, there's a mountain coming on the map. Welcome to Shenandoah National Park. Wow, look, we can go stand on that rock. Isn't that cool?
Let's zip up your jacket, okay? You zip it up. Oh, look at the old looking cars. Aren't those classics? Cool.
So when they built this,
It's a lot of cars. We are over here.
are we gonna go all the way up? Pinnacles.
Matthew Arms. Yeah. Swift Run Gap. We can. Celeste, what are you doing? The rough goose. That's a bird.
Which one?
No.
Rough grouse. Grouse, I guess. There's black bears.
Oh no.
There's
Oh.
beaver, groundhogs.
There's black bears. Oh no.
Ooh.
There's kitties.
Ria? Were you ready?
Oh, we gotta hit them. Foggy.
Well,
Right by your
it looks like it's about to clear.
Spider web.
Oh. Oh no. Something got trapped.
Whoa. Yeah, and there's some mushrooms.
Which
See if
mushrooms?
Mommy can snuff out some.
Truffles? No, the truffles doesn't grow like that. They grow
Man.
at the base of the tree.
What bed? Let's see.
Well, maybe it will clear out. Welcome to Shenandoah. There. The sun is clearing out. It's about to have more lights over there somewhere. Well, it looks like there's trails this way. I don't know where it leads.
I think that's an animal trail.
Are you sure?
Oh, maybe not.
I mean, it looked like a human
Probably
trail.
used for some animals. Oh no! Celeste. Love. Oh, good thing
It's
this is
okay.
waterproof.
It's waterproof. And it's all fading away. In just less than a minute. There was a sunlight somewhere in there. Now it's no more. My goodness. What does the Hunger Games say? May the odds be ever in your favor. And this is not in our favor.
There's some farmland down there in the far corner right there.
Now it's showing again. Like 30 seconds later. This is how crazy Shenandoah is. Isn't it amazing? 30, like less than 15 seconds ago, we couldn't see anything in there. Now it's starting to show up. It's showing up again, love. Look. Yeah, the mountains is right there.
And you can see all the farmlands from here. No. Usually 375.
Pass over there. I've never been on top of it.
Well, usually I'm on 75 or either I-10 or either 95 to 26. Somewhere in that ballpark.
You go California. Well, that's nice.
I don't do I do home weekly. So
Oh, that's
Hi guys, we are at our very first stop at Shenandoah, and unfortunately, foggy siya. Ayan no. We can barely see anything. Croissant. Yum. It's like driving into the unknown.